The night sky above Davao City erupted in a symphony of light and sound. Thousands of twinkling drones danced in the darkness, captivating the massive crowd below. But, this wasn't just a dazzling display of technology, it was a potent symbol of political power, a testament to the enduring influence of Rodrigo Duterte, the former Philippine president. The drones, perfectly synchronized, morphed into a series of powerful images. First, Duterte's face, stern yet familiar, beamed down at the cheering masses. Then his signature clenched fist, a symbol of his iron-fisted rule. The crowd roared its approval, their voices echoing the sentiment displayed across the sky. Duterte was back, even if only in spirit. The dazzling drone show was the centerpiece of Rodi at 80, a massive celebration in honor of Duterte's 80th birthday. Held on March 28, 2025, the event drew tens of thousands to Davao's main thoroughfares, Roxas Avenue and CM Recto Street. The streets, adorned with green banners and posters bearing Duterte's image, throbbed with an electric energy. This was more than a birthday party, it was a political rally, a calculated display of force by a man who, despite facing international charges and being detained in The Hague, still commanded the adoration of millions. Duterte, known for his controversial war on drugs and his populist rhetoric, remained a formidable figure in Philippine politics. His detention by the International Criminal Court on charges of crimes against humanity had only served to bolster his image among supporters, who viewed the charges as a Western conspiracy. The Rodi at 80 rally was a testament to his enduring appeal. It was also a family affair, showcasing the extent to which the Duterte dynasty had become entrenched in Philippine politics. Sara Duterte, his daughter and the current vice president, was a notable presence, her appearance further fueling speculation about her own presidential ambitions. Duterte himself, though physically absent, loomed large over the event. His voice, broadcast to the crowd, crackled with a mix of defiance and nostalgia. He spoke of his love for Davao, the city he had ruled for over 2 decades, and hinted at his desire to return to public service. The rally was a testament not just to Duterte's enduring political power but also to his deep connection with Davao City. It was here that he had built his reputation, transforming Davao from a city plagued by crime and lawlessness into one of the safest in the Philippines, at least according to his supporters. The crowd, estimated by police to be around 60,000 strong, was a sea of green, Duterte's signature color. Many wore shirts emblazoned with his face, while others carried placards demanding his release from ICC detention. The atmosphere was festive, with vendors selling Duterte paraphernalia and street food. Music blared from loudspeakers, interspersed with speeches by local politicians praising Duterte's legacy. There was a palpable sense of anger and resentment towards the ICC and the West, whom many in the crowd blamed for Duterte's detention. The rally served as a vent for these frustrations, a rallying cry for a leader who, in their eyes, had been unfairly targeted. As the drone show reached its climax, the lights formed a final poignant image, the Philippine flag, waving proudly in the night sky. It was a reminder of Duterte's enduring legacy, his ability to inspire both fierce loyalty and deep-seated division. The drone show, with its dazzling display of technology and symbolism, was a fitting metaphor for Duterte's political career, audacious, captivating, and ultimately, a bit unsettling. It was a reminder that even in his absence, Duterte's influence continued to loom large over Philippine politics. The rally in Davao was just the beginning. The road to the 2028 presidential elections had effectively begun, and the question on everyone's mind was whether the Duterte dynasty would continue its grip on power. One thing was certain, the spectacle in the sky above Davao was a sign that Philippine politics was about to get a whole lot more interesting.